Did you find what you needed? Your counsel stands at the ready, Your Grace. I will fly to Harrenhal at your command and set our toehold in the Riverlands.
Your Grace, my Lord Husband's blockade of the gullet moves into place. All seaborne travel and trade to King's Landing will soon be cut off.
I want him. Aemond Targaryen.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня